Oahu, Hawaii, USA. Sea surface temperatures rising. The island of Oahu in Hawaii is going through changes due to climate change. The sea surface temperature all around the world has risen significantly during the last 3 decades, and about 70% of the world's coastlines have been affected. Sea surface temperature is the water temperature that is close to the ocean surface. One of the main causes of rising sea surface temperatures is because of the insane amounts of greenhouse gases that are being released into the atmosphere. This is caused by climate change. The temperatures rise from the heat from the atmosphere as the water warms, water expands. This is also how sea levels rise due to the volume of water also expanding. Oahu's coastlines is just one of the islands that is considered vulnerable due to the rise in sea surface temperatures. Because of the increased change of sea surface temperatures, the rise in ocean temperatures can cause coral reefs near Oahu's coastlines to be bleached and eventually die off. This can impact Oahu's community of species within the ocean if those species need/rely on the coral reefs to survive. If the climate temperature worldwide keeps rising, then there is a positive correlation for coastal sea surface temperatures to also keep rising. So far, there is not much we can do from stopping sea surface temperatures from rising. However, we can try to reduce our carbon footprint to reduce our amount of greenhouse gases that we reproduce.